Good morning, everybody. Woo, your girl looks a mess, but your girl is about to get her hair done, and you guys are gonna come with me. I look super tired. Got some breakouts, girl. This is a mess. Excuse them. My friend's on the phone. Hold on. Good job. She hung up. So I am on my way to go get my hair done. I'm gonna try to make me some iced coffee real quick, because I need my iced coffee throughout the day. Well, not even throughout the day. I need my iced coffee in the morning. So I just got here to my stylist's house. I just showed up. Just got here. I'm giving her a little time because my appointment was at 10 o'clock. It's 9:40. So I'm gonna give her that. I'm gonna give her that time. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna rush you. Let you get yourself together. But yeah, I'm so excited. Y'all don't know how bad I have wanted my hair and my nails done. You don't know. You don't know how bad I wanted them done. Seriously. So tomorrow I'll get my nails done. You guys will come with me on that as well. Last night I finished packing. I'm so happy I finished packing. The rest of my clothes came. I tried them on, and then from there I picked and choose what I was going to take. I got my jewelry, I got my bags, I got my sandals, like I got all my accessories. So I was really happy about that. And yeah, like everything is pretty much done. I just gotta get me together. And I'm gonna get together. Like, the bad bitch is loading. Remember that. But yeah, I'm here and I'm comfortable. So. Oh, yesterday, I didn't even tell y'all. Yesterday, I did get my AirPods. Because, alright, I lost one. I lost one, and then one got wet. So I'm like, alright, fuck it. I was prepared to pay $160 for some AirPods. Not the new one, not the AirPod Pros, some AirPods. And so they was like, oh no, like, you know, we could just give you 2 of them. And you could, you know, just put them in your case. And I was like, oh, okay. So y'all be selling individual. I seen it in the store. I didn't know this, but I seen it in the store and they sell like the case and maybe it together. But they do sell the case individually. So they, whatever. They gave me 2 new AirPods. Brand spanking new. So I'm happy about that. It is what it is. I might have some AirPods for my trip. Because your girl cannot go on a trip without AirPods. What the hell do I look like? Well, okay, some people might still have these. But everybody knows strings is not it. Everybody knows strings is not it. They're an inconvenience, honestly. So, I'm probably gonna get them to my mom. But, yeah. Got 15 minutes. So I'm gonna hit y'all back up when I go into the actual house. Right before she she get me ready. Well, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I go back in the house. No, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I go in the house, get ready, and she about to slay this shit. That's when I'm gonna come back to y'all. Girl is back. I had to let the battery charge for a little bit. But I really enjoy my hair. I'm really happy with it. The baby's hair messed up a little bit. I got hot. I had a scarf on. It was a whole thing. But yeah, I'm happy with the results. I'm happy. It turned out just like I thought it would, and you know, that's a real good thing, because you fuck around and get what you wanted versus what you actually got, and I got what I wanted, so very happy about that. I wanted to show you guys kind of. I don't really want to take everything out. This is my suitcase. This is where I got all my makeup. I got all my makeup and everything in here. And I got my panties. I haven't put it in here yet, but I have to put like my deodorant, my lotion, my stuff like that. But over here is all my shoes, my sneakers. Let's see if I can. Got some sneakers, got some sandals, got some bags, got that. Alright, I got my jewelry, like I said, my panties, whole bunch of clothes, bathing suits, whole bunch of stuff. So y'all need to stay tuned for the looks, because I'm definitely giving looks. And yeah, let's see. So yeah, basically I'm all packed. Don't judge me on my makeup, don't care. I gotta, but yeah, whew, child, there's a lot of shit in here, but I'm glad that I got it in one whole thing, and then the rest I can just, you know, put in my carry-on or something like that. But yeah, I'm so happy that I was able to fit majority of everything in my bag, and I only wanted to do one suitcase and a carry-on. I didn't want to do too much, you know what I'm saying? So I'm happy that we were able to do that and get that done. Yeah, I ordered